Do you want to do some vlogging, talking into the camera and showing yourself while talking? Do you have a Canon DSLR, like an old DSLR? Say, I have a Canon 760D and I have a kit lens 18 to 55 image stabilized, not STM, image stabilized. So, in case you're looking to vlog with a camera like that, I have something to show to you. How I've arranged it for myself, I'll show that, and give me a couple of seconds. Hold on. So here's the camera. Have a look at the lens, the model of the lens. It is IS2. It is not an STM lens, so it is not made to focus silently. It makes those wheezy squeezy sounds when you put it in continuous autofocus. And this is the camera model. So let me just show you how I use it for my vlogging or my attempts at vlogging. That might help you too. If you have tried making videos on Canon DSLRs, you might have seen that you have to switch it on and you have to turn the knob towards this icon or symbol, which is for video shooting, right? And then, so this is in the video mode right now. And then when you want to start the recording or end the recording, this is the button that you use to start and end the video. All right. Now, as you see, it is at the back of the camera. This button is at the back of the camera. And for vlogging, normally you have the lens facing towards your face, right? And that button to start and end the video is on the back. So it kind of becomes slightly awkward to hold the camera this way and locate the button often. Sometimes you miss it, sometimes you have to make a longer video and then crop the video so that you know those those parts of the video where you switch on and off, those do not become a part of the video. But then I try to keep it simple. I don't do a lot of editing, and therefore I had to figure out a way where I could just speak in one go and start and end the video easily and not do a hell lot of cropping from whatever I record. So I'll show it to you. Hold on. Don't mind the shaky footage. I'm still recording on my mobile phone. So as you see, this is how I hold the camera. If you see this finger, I use that finger to switch, to place it on that on and off video recording button. And this is how I hold it. So the fully tiltable screen or flip out screen, that is on the lower side of the camera, not on the upper side of the camera, right? And then I look into the lens, I switch the camera on and record myself. That's how I do it. Okay. And that's how I'm able to record. So right now the lens is at 18 mm and I can, as you can see, I can get a good view of myself. There's plenty of space around me in the background. And so 18 mm on APS-C sensor would be about 29 mm field of view. So even at 29 mm, if you're shooting vertically, it does not get so tight and you can hold it in your hand and shoot yourself. So that is that. I hope this helps. Do not go by the shake of this video or the quality of this video, but I hope you do get the idea. If you want to make simple talking head videos, you can use your old Canon DSLR in this way, and perhaps you may have some fun. Thank you.